Right, bit of a different one today. I'm up a ladder at the minute. I'm in my mate Dave's workshop because it's absolutely honking it down outside, and we're going to fit the Unistrut roof rack, or attempt to anyway. So I'm going to get things sorted out and then I'll jump back in. So we couldn't find hacksaw, so what we've done is we're just going to use this machine. I hope it's to the millimetre perfect, Dave.
To the foul.
Just like that. So now we've cut the Unistrut, we've cut two lengths, and you can get these little end caps. You just pop them in the end, it just makes it look a bit nicer. So I'll pop them in while Dave rubs it with a cloth. Giving it a good rub, Dave.
Have to rub everything myself.
So these just go in there like that. And that's it. I just need to touch the paint up a little bit, but I'll do that another day when I get home. I'm making him earn his keep this week. Come on, Dave, put your back into it.
Be good at gripe.
Oh, even though these are galvanised, once you cut them, it's bare steel. So we're going to give it a little tickle on the end with some galv spray, but it's zinc spray, but it's black. So, well, it's not black. The zinc spray's silver in it, but we'll go over it with a bit of black, just to make it look nice. Beautiful, that, Dave. It's like you've done it before. So we'll let that dry, and then we'll give it a bit of black over the top, and then I'll see you on the roof. Right, so we've cut this to length now, and then if you look on here, I don't know if you can see that for the light, you've got these little circles, and they're just factory blanks. They're almost like a sticker, so we just need to peel them off. So we're going to go every other. So there's one there, there's one where my finger is, then there's another one. There's 10 in total, but we only need to do probably 5, Dave, something like that. So we'll peel them off. You just need like a sharp tool thing and prise it underneath, and then the peel off, and then that leaves you the hole through to the inside of the van, which you can see inside the van. In fact, I'll show you inside the van while I'm here. I'll just come down from up here. So when you're in the van, it's a bit dark in here, but up here, this is where Dave is here. So you can see there's a hole, well, you maybe can't see, but there's a hole there, so when Dave takes that sticker off there, we'll see daylight. And there's another one there, and another one there, and there's 10 all the way down there. So there's your fixing. So even if you're just putting a normal roof rack on, you can see the daylight now? So there's one off. And that's where we're going to bolt it to. So we're going to do that 5 times on this side, 5 times on the other side. And that'll get us our fixings through for the thing. So I've got stainless 8mm bolts, stainless washers and stainless nuts, because we don't want any rust happening. So once you're up on the roof, what I've just showed you there from inside, you can see the holes. So when you're up on the roof, like I said earlier, you've got these little things here. So you just need to kind of get something small and pointy underneath them, and then they just peel off like so. And you've got to try and get hold of it and just work it round, and that is it, and that is it. So that's off. So I've taken 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 off. So now I've got some gaskets as well, and these are just box lid gaskets off conduit, and I've cut them down, and they'll just fit in there like so, over the hole. Put some gunge on, and then bolt the Unistrut on. Job done. Simple. So all I've got is some master bond, usually used for windows. I've just had it on the radiator for half an hour, so that it's actually red, all that. And I'm just going to pop it round each one, just to stop the water getting in. So, I don't know if you can see that, can you? Put that there like that. And I'll aim you down like that. So I'm just going to put a blob around there like that. Like so. The same on all 5. I know you can't see this one. If I do that, you can. Bit on there as well. Beautiful. And then just plonk your gasket over the top like so, and then the bolt will go through the hole. I'll put a bit more on top of there as well, and on the bolts. Same for all 5 on each side. So that's it, done. The roof rack is on. 5 stainless bolts in each side, stainless nuts, stainless washers, bit of window bond in between, a couple of gaskets that we made up from box lids, and that's it. So now I just need to put some T-pieces in and go straight across wherever I want. Put my solar panel in the middle. I've got a fan to go in here, and I might put a bar across there if I ever wanted a light bar across the front there aiming. Ideal. But another job off the list next time.